Hi children, welcome back to the maths class. So today we are here again in the video to do the elimination method with two coefficients. That means different coefficients of x and y. Yes. So in the previous video we have seen about the elimination method where there are same coefficients. So here let us take a problem where there are two coefficients and solve it. Yes. Okay. Now let's start with the thing. Yes. So see, we have given two equations here. 3x plus 2y is equals to 1. And the other one is 2x plus 3y is equals to 4. Now let this be equation 1 and let this be equation 2. Yes, the given equations. But here you see, you can observe that x coefficient is having two variables. That means for the first equation the coefficient of x is 3 and for the second equation coefficient of x is 2. For the first equation coefficient of y is 2 and for the second equation coefficient of y is 3. Now, how to make them similar? First and foremost, you should get into your mind which variable you want to eliminate. Suppose if I want to eliminate x, okay, there's no issue. You can make up whether you can, even if you want, you can eliminate y also in the beginning and then go for the x. Yes. So let me take a thing. Let me eliminate x first. So what should I do? How to make these coefficients equal? So this is 3 and this is 2 and those both are prime numbers. Yes, they are not even the multiples of any table. Yes. So now what you have to do is multiply the first equation with 2. That means when you multiply with 2, what will happen? 2 times of 3 is 6. 6x plus 2 2s are 4. 4y. 2 11s are 22. Children, one thing you remember, the whole of the equation should be multiplied by 2. Okay, so don't leave the other part, that means the constant which is to the other side of equal to. When you are multiplying with any number, you should multiply all the terms of the equation. Yes, now let us multiply the second equation with the 3, so that 3 times of 2 is 6. That means here our final thing is you have to make the coefficients equal. That's what. Okay, yes, so 6x, so 3 into 3, that means 3 times of 3 is 9y. Is equals to 3 times of 4 is 12. Yes. Now after writing the equation, that means after multiplying and making the coefficients equal, then you will have to decide whether you should add the both equations or you should subtract both the equations. Okay. So here see, both are having plus sign. So if you add the equations, it will become 12x. Yes or no? 6x plus 6x becomes 12x. But you should eliminate that variable. So when you have to eliminate that variable, what you have to do? Because coefficients are equal, you will subtract the equation. That means first equation minus second equation. This is how we write it. This is how we check them and we'll understand whether to add it or subtract. Now write the first equation. 4y is equals to 22 by 6x plus 9y is equals to 12. Now subtraction in the sense, in algebra, subtraction means the second equation which is there, round up all the arithmetic operations which are present before them. Okay, all the signs which are present and change the sign. That means if it is given plus, you change it as minus. If it is given plus, make it as minus. That means you should convert the sign first. Sign conversion this is called. So when you change, after changing the sign, now you read it 6x minus 6x. So this will cancel. That means it gives you 0. Yes. Now plus 4y minus 9y. Plus 4y and minus 9y is minus 5y. Children, look here. As there are two different signs for two different things. So for the same variable, if you have two different signs, you should subtract the numbers and put the final, that means the number, and put the sign of the bigger number. That means the bigger one is 9 and it is having minus. So the answer will get the negative symbol. Is equals to plus 22 and minus 12. See, both are having different signs. So you should subtract. 22 minus 12 is what? 0 and 1. It becomes 10. But what is the symbol for it? The symbol for this is plus. Why? Because 22 is having plus. Now y is equals to plus 10 by minus 5. Yes. Now try to cancel, children. 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are. Yes. So y is equals to minus 2 is the answer of the variable. So y is equals to minus 2. So however, see, by eliminating, first step is to make the coefficients equal. Second step, to eliminate the variable. Third step, to find out the variable, find the value of the other variable. And then the next procedure continues as it is. Y is equals to -2. So substitute the value. What value you are substituting of y in equation 1? Okay, substitute the value of y in equation 1. So 3x plus 2y is equals to 11. So 3 times of x plus 2 into y means what? It is -2. Write the value of that is equals to 11. So 3x plus into minus, -2 into 2, 4. Always children, when you are multiplying, better you multiply the first sign multiplication, then do the numerical multiplication, so that it becomes easy for you when you are multiplying. Is equals to 11. So 3x is equals to 11. When -4 goes to the other side for transpose, it becomes +4, and 3x is equals to 15, because both the signs are having the same sign, plus. So we'll add them, and x is equals to 15 by 3, where it gives the answer x value is 5. Okay, x value is 5. This is how you find the values. Therefore, the values of x is 5 and the value of y is -2. So this is how you find the value. So I hope you understood this. This is also an elimination method with the different coefficients. So first step, make the coefficients equal. Second step, eliminate the coefficient, find the value of the other variable, substitute that variable in the equations and find the one other variable which is there. So both the variables, you will find the values here, and after finding, you can similarly cross check them. Like you can cross check your answer whether they are right or wrong. Take one of the equation which is given here and just find out whether it is right or wrong. So 3 times of, what is the value of x? 5. 5 plus 2 times of -2. So 3 5s are 15. Plus into minus, -2 2s are 4. 15 minus 4 is 11, which is the right hand side. Yes or no? Left hand side is equals to right hand side. Therefore, my answer is correct, and surely you can go into the other sum with a great confidence. So, hope you understood this. Practice this well, children. So, these are the two important methods which are there for in pairs of linear equations of two variables. Finding the value of the two variables using different methods. One is elimination and one is substitution method. Yes. Thank you for watching, children. Please share, like and subscribe.